Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with Podcast. I'm your host, Jessica, and I am so excited to see you here today. You know what? Today's episode is going to be something really special. We're going to answer 100 questions together. Yes, you heard that right. 100 questions. This is perfect shadowing practice for you. Just listen to my answers and repeat after me. Don't worry about pausing or thinking too much. Just follow along, speak with me, and let the English flow naturally. This exercise will help you improve your speaking, your listening, and your confidence in English. By the end of this episode, you'll have practiced so many different sentence structures and vocabulary words. You'll be amazed at how much better your English sounds. All right, are you ready? Let's dive into our 100 questions. Remember, just listen and shadow my answers. Basic introductions. What is your name? My name is Jessica. It's nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm 32 years old. Where are you from? I'm from California, in the United States. Where do you live now? I live in Los Angeles. It's a beautiful city with great weather. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one younger brother. His name is Michael. What do you do for work? I'm an English teacher. I love helping people learn English. What languages do you speak? I speak English and Spanish. I'm learning French right now. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I think it's very calming. When is your birthday? My birthday is on May 15th. Are you married? No, I'm not married. I'm single. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's very playful. What's your phone number? I'm sorry, but I don't share my phone number publicly. What's your email address? You can contact me through my YouTube channel. What's your job title? My job title is English Language Instructor. How long have you been teaching? I've been teaching for 8 years now. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading books. I love mystery novels. Do you like sports? Yes, I enjoy playing tennis and going swimming. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Are you a morning person or a night person? I'm definitely a morning person. I have more energy in the morning. What's your nationality? I'm American. I was born in the United States. Part 2. Daily life and routines. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat oatmeal with fruit and a cup of coffee. Do you drink coffee or tea? I prefer coffee. I drink it every morning. How do you get to work? I drive my car to work. It takes about 20 minutes. What time do you start work? I start work at 8 o'clock in the morning. Do you work on weekends? Sometimes I work on Saturdays, but never on Sundays. What do you do after work? After work, I usually go to the gym or meet friends for dinner. How often do you exercise? I exercise 4 times a week, usually in the evening. What's your favorite type of exercise? I love doing yoga. It helps me relax and stay flexible. Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook at home almost every day. I enjoy cooking healthy meals. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is Italian pasta. I could eat it every day. Do you like spicy food? Not really. I prefer mild flavors, but I can eat a little spice. How often do you eat out? I eat out about twice a week, usually on weekends. What's your favorite restaurant? There's a small Italian restaurant near my house that I love. Do you like to cook or bake? I prefer cooking to baking. Baking requires too much precision for me. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed around 10:30 at night. How many hours do you sleep? I try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. Do you take naps? Rarely, only when I'm really tired on weekends. What do you do before bed? I usually read a book or listen to calm music before sleeping. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV in the evenings, but not every day. What kind of shows do you like? I like watching documentaries and cooking shows. Preferences and opinions. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. I love the warm weather and flowers. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer warm weather. I don't like being cold. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love spending time with family. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. I try to visit a new place every year. What countries have you visited? I've visited Mexico, Canada, France, Italy, and Japan. Where would you like to travel next? I'd love to visit Spain. I want to see Barcelona and Madrid. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? That's difficult. I love both, but maybe the beach a little more. What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to pop and jazz music. Can you play any musical instruments? Yes, I can play the piano. I learned when I was a child. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. It's a classic. Do you like reading? Yes, I love reading. I read at least one book every month. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Do you prefer fiction or nonfiction? I prefer fiction. I love getting lost in a good story. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject has always been English literature. Are you good at math? Not really. Math was always challenging for me in school. Do you like shopping? I enjoy shopping for books and clothes, but not grocery shopping. What's your favorite store? I love bookstores. I could spend hours looking at books. Do you prefer online shopping or shopping in stores? I prefer shopping in stores because I can see the products first. What's your favorite type of clothing? I love wearing comfortable clothes like jeans and t-shirts. What colors do you usually wear? I usually wear neutral colors like black, white, and gray. Experiences and memories. What's your earliest memory? My earliest memory is playing in my grandmother's garden when I was 4. What was your favorite subject in school? English was always my favorite subject. I loved writing essays. Did you like school? Yes, I enjoyed school, especially high school and university. What did you study in university? I studied English literature and education. Do you have a best friend? Yes, my best friend is named Sarah. We've known each other for 15 years. How did you meet your best friend? We met in university. We were in the same literature class. What do you like to do with your friends? We like going to cafes, watching movies, and having long conversations. What's the best gift you've ever received? The best gift was a trip to Paris from my parents for my graduation. What's the best gift you've ever given? I gave my mom a photo album with our family memories. She cried. Have you ever won anything? Yes, I won a writing competition when I was in high school. What's your biggest achievement? My biggest achievement is becoming a successful English teacher. What's something you're proud of? I'm proud that I help people improve their English every day. What's your biggest fear? I'm afraid of heights. I don't like tall buildings or flying. What makes you happy? Spending time with loved ones and helping others makes me happy. What makes you sad? Seeing people struggle or being unkind to each other makes me sad. What makes you angry? Dishonesty and injustice make me angry. What's your favorite childhood memory? My favorite memory is going camping with my family every summer. Did you have a favorite toy as a child? Yes, I had a teddy bear named Brownie. I still have him. What did you want to be when you were a child? I wanted to be a writer or a teacher. I became a teacher. If you could change one thing about your past, what would it be? I would have started learning languages earlier in life. Future plans and dreams. What are your plans for this weekend? This weekend, I plan to relax, read a book, and meet a friend for brunch. What are your goals for this year? My goals are to learn more French and to read 24 books. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I hope to have my own language school. What's your dream job? My dream job is what I'm doing now, teaching English. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? I would love to live in Paris for a year. The culture is amazing. What's on your bucket list? Learning to speak 5 languages fluently is on my bucket list. If you won the lottery, what would you do? I would travel the world and donate money to education charities. What's your dream vacation? My dream vacation is touring all the cities in Italy for a month. What skill would you like to learn? I would like to learn how to play the guitar. What's something you've always wanted to try? I've always wanted to try scuba diving in the ocean. If you could have dinner with anyone, who would it be? I would have dinner with Jane Austen. I love her books so much. What advice would you give your younger self? I would tell my younger self to be more confident and take more risks. What's the most important lesson you've learned? The most important lesson is to be kind to yourself and others. What does success mean to you? Success means being happy, healthy, and making a positive difference. What's your life motto? My motto is never stop learning. There's always something new to discover. What are you grateful for? I'm grateful for my health, my family, and the opportunity to teach. What's your favorite quote? My favorite quote is, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? I would make education accessible and free for everyone in the world. What's your message to English learners? Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Why do you love teaching English? I love teaching English because I get to help people communicate and achieve their dreams. Every student's success makes me incredibly happy. Wow, we did it! We answered 100 questions together. How do you feel? I hope your mouth got a good workout and your English confidence is growing stronger. Remember, the key to improving your English is practice, practice, practice. The more you speak, the better you'll become. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep trying, keep learning, and keep having fun with English. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new episode. Your support means the world to me. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye for now.